Tupigie rais wa shule makofi. The school president. He walks like a president. He's dressed like a president. Sasa ngoja usikie. Anaongea kama rais. Wanatembea kama rais. Anafanya mtihani kama rais. Sasa ngoja aongee. Udadania kuna rais. Ruto yuko hapa. Are you ready, Mr. President? Very much ready.
Our school director, Mr. Shukri, the manager, Mr. Abdullahi, the head teacher, the deputy head teacher, our beloved teachers, parents, and my fellow learners. Good morning. My name is Abdullahi Muhammad Haji, a learner in grade 7, and I'm here to speak on behalf of all the learners of this glorious institution. To commence with, we, the learners, cannot only not quantify, but also can't get words of enough magnitude to code with our appreciation to all the participants in the journey of gestating this day to its successful and colorful delivery that is unfolding before us right now. We, the learners, in the common words, but flavored in extreme joy and heartful glamour, say thank you for making this dream day a reality. To our teachers, I want to let you know that referring to you as teachers is a gross understatement, for it doesn't encompass who you are. Our parents around here, our idols and mentors, our protectors and guiders, our topmost cheerers in chasing excellence. If allowed to go on, I can assure you all that I wouldn't stop, for the list is endless. But allow me paint for you the metaphorical realia of the goodness of these men and women, our teachers. We came here, we learners, formless, void, and possibly undesirable. We are modeling clay, but the artist, the modeler, saw unmatching beauty, elegance, greatness, and relevance in us. They began modeling us, and just look around. What a beauty you have transformed into. Fluent speakers and leaders of languages, just to mention one. Thank you, teachers. Now, allow me to talk to the wonderful men and women on my left and right, our parents. Thank you for choosing to suspend all your other scheduled activities of today and give priority to turning up to be here with us and for us. Welcome to Abu Huraira. This is the home away from home. Here, we are taught, guided, directed, corrected, shown love, and our needs taken care of. I can assure you that every moment here is an awesome experience. Today, we get a golden chance to meet the men and women with whom we have entrusted our custody, and not even once have they made you regret that. Look at us, your little boys and girls, happy and joyful, thanking you for allowing us to experience education here at and in this great home away from home. I might go on and forget ourselves, I and my fellow learners. We are an ingredient too in the making of this great meal of education. We wake up every day early and come here with smiles on our faces, ready to acquire knowledge and work on our dreams. Here, we have met and made friends who are wonderful to make our life grow fonder and fonder. We are and will always celebrate this golden opportunity awarded to us to be here. We vow and promise not to disappoint you, our parents, nor our teachers, in the pursuit of academic excellence. We will become the greatest in every aspect of education. Welcome to Abu Huraira Pre-Primary 2 Graduation Celebration. Let us celebrate excellence in academia together. Let us crown these young academic kings and queens in style, for education not only remains the key to success, but also the equalizer of men. Thank you very much.
Bila itoshi, nataka upigie rais makofi. Hapana, sio namna hiyo. Wazazi tungoje kwanza. Wanafunzi, nataka tupige makofi. The three claps and a mashallah for the president of the learners of Abu. Hata wani rais wangu nikiwa hapa. He is the president of the school. Somehow I'm under him, but it's also under me. Kwa hiyo tupige mara 3 tumwambie mashallah wanafunzi. Ngoja kwanza. I'll give you the okay. Let's clap. Mashallah. Mashallah. That was good. You can now take your seat.